Okay, so this is the UI I worked on. I called it vacation UI and try to replicate it. This is the list view, just like we see here. See the name of the place, the price, that's what we have here, the ratings, and this favorite tap coin, that's what we have here. And see popular hotels, same thing here. And although this isn't a picture of the hotel there, and if you click on this, it will take you to this page and see the image and the name of the place, price, the ratings, introduction, the icons, book, and a close icon. So that's it.